In today's video, I'm going to teach you Archive Task Viewing in ClickUp 2026 Guide. If you're juggling multiple projects or simply need to revisit work you've finished, knowing where archive tasks live will save you time and keep your workspace tidy. By the end, you'll be able to locate archived items quickly and confidently using ClickUp's built-in search and filters without digging around through folders. Let's begin right from the start. Open your browser and head to the ClickUp website, then log in to your workspace. If your account is connected to Google, you can choose the Sign In with Google option to speed things up. Just pick the account you use for ClickUp, and you'll be taken straight in. Once you're in, you'll land in your workspace home. You might see an overview page or a team space area depending on how your workspace is set up. That's perfect. Stay there. Everything we need is accessible from here, and you don't have to navigate deep into any specific list or folder to find archived tasks. Now, draw your attention to the top of the screen and locate the search bar. This is the universal search in ClickUp, and it's designed to look across your entire workspace. Click into it to activate search. Even if you don't type anything yet, you'll see options and filters appear that will help you narrow down what you're looking for. On the left side of the search panel, select All. This tells ClickUp to search across every space, folder, and list you have access to, rather than limiting results to a narrow location. If you work across multiple teams or projects, this is especially handy because archived items can sit in many places. Next, look for the filter menu in the search panel. In many layouts, this appears as three small lines that resemble an upside-down triangle or a funnel icon on the left side. Go ahead and click that icon to open the available filters. Filters are where the magic happens. This is how you cut through active tasks, docs, and everything else to zero in on archived items. In the filter options, find the one labeled Archived. This may appear as a toggle, a checkbox, or a clickable chip depending on your interface. Click on Archived to turn that filter on. The moment you do, your search results will shift to show only items that have been archived, giving you a clean list of completed or stored away work. You'll now be looking at a focused set of results tied to archived content. If your results show more than just tasks, like docs or other item types, don't worry. That's normal when you've used the All scope. We'll narrow this further so you only see what you need. To refine the results specifically to tasks, click on the Tasks option within the Search Results area. This view concentrates the list to task items only, excluding other result types. With that